In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build the cinematic, 3D space presentation entirely inside PowerPoint. We're talking custom 3D model integration, the secret slide background masking trick for hidden titles, and a specialized animation workflow that creates perfectly seamless loops. Let's get started. First, let's set up our background. Right-click the slide, go to Format Background, and drop in your space image. Next, go to Insert, 3D Models, and search for the moon. Drop it in, move it just outside the top right edge of the slide, and make it larger. Rotate the moon a little to the left as shown. Now, duplicate the slide by pressing Ctrl+D. On this second slide, adjust your moon size and position, and rotate it slightly to the right. Now select the second slide. Go up to Transitions, Apply Morph, and check out this smooth entrance effect. Let's zoom in and add our title. Insert a text box, change the color to white, and pick a bold font like Poppins. Now make your text larger and write your title. We want this text to hide behind the moon, but if we just send it backward, it will still show up on the right side of the slide when it moves. Here is the trick to fix that. Insert a rectangle that covers the right half of the slide, starting from the center of the moon. Remove the outline, right-click, go to Format Shape, and select Slide Background Fill. Now, send this rectangle all the way to the back, and then send your text to the back so it sits behind the rectangle. Your text is now completely hidden. Move your title to the right, outside the slide. Duplicate the slide again. Hold Shift and drag the title to the left into its final position. Give the moon another rotation, apply the morph transition, and boom, the moon reveals the title perfectly. Next, add another text box for your body text and drag it down off the slide. Duplicate the slide. Move the moon, delete our masking rectangle, and arrange both text boxes into their final layout. Spin the moon a bit to the left and apply morph. Pro tip, for this slide, make sure your text is in the front. If you ever get lost, open the selection pane. It shows exactly how your layers are stacked, so you can easily make sure the moon is above your title, but your new text box is above everything else. Now, let's bring in the Earth. Go back to 3D Models, insert the Earth, drag it outside the slide, scale it up, and spin it to the left. Add your text box for the next slide and drag it down off-screen. Time for the animations. Select the moon, go to the Animations tab, and choose Turntable. Set the duration to 20 seconds. Right-click it in the animation pane, go to Effect Options, set Smooth End and Bounce End to 0, and Smooth Start to 3 seconds. This gives the spin a realistic start. But we want it to spin forever without stopping. With the moon still selected, click Add Animation and choose Turntable again. In Effect Options, set all Smooth and Bounce settings to 0. Under Timing, change Repeat to Until End of Slide and set it to Start after Previous. Make sure your first animation starts with Previous. Why we split the animation into 2 stages? Because it's the only way to bridge a smooth start with an infinite loop. Without this, your moon will hiccup every 20 seconds. This method keeps the motion cinematic and perfectly fluid. Now, it starts smoothly and loops infinitely without that weird stutter. Duplicate the slide one last time and adjust all your elements. It is crucial to position the moon and Earth correctly here. Make sure they are placed so that when we add the orbit animation, the moon stays inside the slide frame. Finally, rotate both planets to the right to set the stage for the movement and position your body text. If you're enjoying these PowerPoint tricks so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more advanced tricks like these. Let's make the moon orbit the Earth. Select the moon, click Add Animation, go to More Motion Paths, and choose Circle. Resize and position the circle to create your orbit path. In Effect Options, set the smooth start and end to 0, repeat until the end of the slide, and set the duration to 5 seconds. To save time, select the moon, click the Animation Painter, and click on the Earth to copy the effects. Since the Earth isn't orbiting, delete the circle motion path and the first turntable animation from the moon's list in the animation pane. Finally, select all your animations, except the last Earth's turntable, and set them to start with Previous. Change the moon spin duration to 5 seconds so it spins faster than the Earth, and you're done. You can download the template for this exact presentation in the description down below. If this video helped you level up your PowerPoint game, smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.